Multiplying decimals by 10. So we have 0.85 times 10. So when you times anything by 10, for example, 2 times 10, it equals 20. All you're doing is you're moving the 2 by one place value. It looks like you're just adding a 0. If you had a number with a decimal point behind it, you're just moving the decimal point. It's like adding a 0 onto the end. So because we've got 1 0 in the 10, we're going to move the decimal point one place to between the 8 and the 5. So now we've got 0.85 with the decimal point now between the 8 and 5. So it's now 0.8. But we can get rid of this 0 because we don't need it. So our answer is 8.5.
Multiplying decimals by 100. So, as we learned in the last video, you moved the decimal point. Last time it was only multiplying by 10, so you only shifted it one place to the right. So then it would have turned into 8.5. But this time we're multiplying it by 100. So if we've got 0.85, so now we want to times it by 100. This time there are 2 zeros, so we moved the decimal point twice to the right. So now it would turn into 85. Normally it would be 85.0000 and etc. But we don't need those zeros, so we can just say 85.
We're multiplying decimals by 1,000. The decimal we have today is 6.32. Usually for a decimal point, behind the decimal point, there's the tenths, hundredths, thousands, and etc. Right now there's no place value for the thousands, so it would be 0, and the zeros would go on and on. Because we're timesing the decimal by 1,000, and 1,000 has 3 zeros, we'd move the decimal point 3 times. So the answer would be 6,320.00, but because those are zeros, we don't need to say write those. Usually, for whatever number you have, if we have 10,000, then because there's 4 zeros behind the 1, you'd move the decimal 4 place values across.